The Great Puddle Adventure. Splash, splash, the raindrops fall. Tiny puddles and puddles tall. Muddy boots on little feet. Dancing, jumping, oh so sweet. I tiptoe hop, then leap so high. The raindrops sparkle in the sky. Frogs are cheering, ducks parade. In our puddle wonderland games are made. Slip, slide down the muddy hill. The world is messy, but such a thrill. Wiggly worms peek out and grin, inviting us to jump right in. I swirl and twirl, my socks are wet. Biggest splash I've made yet. Water leaps into the air, rainbow droplets everywhere. Splashing through the garden gate, puddles wait by the garden gate. Tiny turtles join the fun, shaking shells beneath the sun. Raindrops drumming on the roof. We jump, we laugh, we find the proof. Muddy puddles, slippery deep, hide tiny secrets they all keep. Careful now, my little brother cries, but puddle magic fills our eyes. Jumping over puddles wide, a slippery, happy, giggly ride. Even cats, though shy and small, paw at puddles near the wall. The garden pondlings come play. We splash and swim the rain away. As evening comes, clouds drift apart. Muddy footprints tell our art. Socks are soggy, boots are brown, but smiles and laughter wear the crown.